Hi there everyone, this is Kevin Ebsworth here. I've been asked to create a series of videos on how to set up the shareable code on Aweber, and I've created a lead capture as well, so you can use the lead capture on there, but there's a few tweaks because I did try a few things and we can't get it to give you the capture page at the same time. We can give you the landing page, lead capture landing page, but we can't give you the capture, the sign up page. So I'm going to show you quickly how to create that in your back of your Aweber. But for those of you who don't know Aweber, I'm just going to talk to you step by step, making sure that you understand in a very simple to follow manner. So even if you're from an 8-year-old to an 80-year-old, you're going to be able to follow these steps. Okay, so let's just go on to the first step here. I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller so you can see here. I'm on the right hand side. I'm going to go to Google, and the first thing you're going to go to is signing up for Aweber. Now you can sign up for free, but when you sign up for free, as you can see here, you can only get up to 500 subscribers, so that can happen very quickly. You get one email list, so you know it's okay. One landing page, one email automation, and basic email support. Okay, so yes, it's very, very basic, but you also cannot take off the double opt-in. Now it's very important that you can turn off the double opt-in, because you don't want people to, you know, having to like think about signing back into it again, you know, to allow you. So clicking on another link, and you'll find that most people don't do that. So it's easier to go straight in for the plus. Okay, so you see this light one is okay, but the plus one is a bit better. Okay, it's only $20 a month, as you can see there. Billed annually, so I think it's like maybe about $29 a month. But it gives you a lot more. Okay, so you can turn off the double opt-in, you can track everything, you can do everything you can with that. Okay, so you get a lot of the stuff with the pro account. Okay, so the plus account, so you get all the way down to here. And the only difference between the $899 a month to the plus account is this one here, which is personalized account management. Okay, so that's the only difference, yeah, from that to that. So I would always say, let's go to monthly. Oh, it's $30 a month, which isn't too bad anyway. But annually, if you want to pay it annually, it's $20 a month. So once you've signed up into Aweber, as I said, you can sign up into Aweber, and what you need to do is you need to create a list. Okay, so once you sign up into this, and you need to create a list, so I'm going to create a random list. So I'm making a book here, so a nice easy to follow manual, but this is one of the first things that you need to do. So the list name, company name, you're going to call it I'm going to call it MMM. Okay, I'm going to put it in capitals, MMM. And my website address is kevinebsworth.com. Okay, describe what your email list is about. So it's about MMM, and in the book I am making a copy and paste, so you can fill this in. So the Mind Mastery Magic Matrix, so you're going to have all this in there. Okay, so but you haven't got access to this part yet, but it will be with you shortly. So that's in there. Make sure you fill in your name. Make sure you have a verified email address. Now they're very hot on this. I'm also going to put in a link to the DMARC and the, I think it's DKIM, setup for a professional, like professional website address. So your email professional, so your professional email that's registered to your website, so it gets you to put stuff in the back office, which is very simple. I've done a video on this before, so I'm going to call this Mind Mastery Matrix Magic. So it's the other way around. Okay, so as you can see that. So this is a verified email address. Okay, so now you've got to pick a subject line, and if you have gone for a free account, then I suggest that you edit this. I'll see if I can come up with some blurb that you can put in there to make sure that they do try and click on it to confirm the subscription. But if you've gone for the Plus account, the Pro account, you will have double opt-in. You can turn off the double opt-in. So you create the list. Here we go, we're just waiting for Aweber to create that list for me. So now this is a completely new list. You need to go on the left hand side here and click on list options, list settings. Okay, so you can see here that everything that I put in here, list description, list name, for my name, my email address, and where I've got the business registered to. Now you need to have your address in the bottom of that, okay, because Aweber will tell you that Gmail and Yahoo, since they've done their update in March this year, they've made it very difficult if you don't have a website email address. So you have to have a website email address that has DMARC, DKIM and SPFF on there. I think it's SPFF. Anyway, that has to all be registered on the domain, and it has to be DMARC approved. So there's certain things that you can follow there that I'll show you. You got the address. You have to have a full address on there as well, so it needs to be included. You can't leave anything out of your address, and that is vitally important. So you can see the address is there, you can see my email in there, and you can see everything is in here. Okay, so manage email address. I'll take you to this now and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've got a few of my businesses up there that has been authenticated. This is unauthenticated at the moment for Hiberhid domain there, so that's kevinobserve@yahoo.co.uk. that needs authentication. You can't do that in Yahoo, you can't do Gmail in Yahoo, so it's just easier if you did your website, you purchase the email with your website, so it could be johndoe@johndoe.com. okay, so that has to be vital. The next part is personalizing the list. Okay, so the company name is called MMM. Your website is whatever your website address is in there, making sure that that's been verified as well. And then it says snippets. So you notice in the form that I've put snippets here. So these are the snippets that you need to learn about. Okay, so I'm going to go into my company admin and I'm going to share with you what I'm talking about. Okay, so got that opened up. So my snippets. So the first snippet I'm going to share with you is this here. So it's my name. So making sure that you copy from where the yellow is, right click and then copy, go to snippet name and then paste. Okay, so that's the name, the snippet name. So then you have to fill this in with your name. Okay, now why is this important? I've set up the emails so they're automatically done, so you don't have to touch anything. Once you've done it, everything's already been lined up. You don't have to go and put any codes or whatever in there. Okay, you just have to make sure that you copy everything that I've put here into your snippets. So paste webinar. So have you noticed that this is the webinar here, and it goes to ID to the equals. You copy that and you put it into the snippet text, paste it, but then you go to your mind mastery matrix, click on sales funnels. This is your username. This is your affiliate ID. This is your username. You can find this at the bottom of the screen here, which you can click on there, your username, okay, and that's your ID. So your username and ID is exactly the same. So you just copy that last little bit, go to the actual snippet text, go to the very end where it says equals, and then put your affiliate ID, your username in there. So you can see that that global text there is that. So then you go on to the next one, the matrix webinar. So right click, copy, put that in list settings, paste, and then go and then copy all this. So this has to be done first before you do anything else. So I go back to my, and I've got that there, so copy that, and then paste that there. So it's putting all my affiliate links all the way through this, because each email has the affiliate links, the links tied up in there, the code for it, which I've placed in there, copy. So all it needs is just that affiliate link. So I'm going to do this a little bit quicker because I can do this on my keyboard. Instead of pressing like the right key, I can just press Control and C, which copies it as well. So we've gone from, was that free session? Yeah, so that's free session. So we've gone from free session to testimonials. So I'll go back into here, testimonials, copy all the way up to the equal sign, and then go and get my affiliate ID. Now this is going to save you so much time by doing this. Okay, so add that one, and the next one is matrix info. Is snippet text. It's in there. Go to your page. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, so now you have all your snippets and your snippet names in there. Okay, so that's perfect. We have to go to confirm message. So when you've got the plus account, you can turn all three of these off. Okay. Right. And then you click on save settings. So now when someone signs up, they don't go through this. So I'm just going to come out of this for a second. So on the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy the snippet code and then apply it into your Aweber. And then we're going to do the same with the capture page. So I'll see you in a few minutes on the next video.